The former Zimbabwean Information Minister, Professor Jonathan Moyo, launched scathing allegations against current ZANU-PF leader Emmerson Mnangagwa, accusing him of being the richest individual in Zimbabwe through stealing. Sabina mashoko atona G40 akomana Jonathan Moyo aiwa achinyasu kupenengura kana kukurira idhi Mnangagwa. Not for subscribe or like on the bell icon. But in an interview pa SABC News, antora mashoko kuti Professor Moyo did not mince words in his accusation, stating Mnangagwa stole billions of cash through diamonds in Chiadzwa, brought the Chinese to loot resources. He set up ZANU-PF companies to steal resources. These claims suggest a pattern of systematic corruption and exploitation of Zimbabwe's natural resources for personal gain. The backdrop of these allegations includes Mnangagwa's rise to power, notably through a controversial coup in 2017 that ousted long-term leader Robert Mugabe. Professor Moyo implied that this coup was an attempt by Mnangagwa to cleanse himself and his allies of their alleged corruption. Mnangagwa staged a coup to atone of corruption. However, these allegations from former insider like Jonathan Moyo, who was once part of the ruling ZANU-PF party, add significant weight to existing concerns about corruption within Zimbabwe's political elite. Saka ndo mashoko ari kubuda panapa zvinzi yawo idhi Mnangagwa panapa Jonathan Moyo anotaura kuti ndiye the richest person munyika yeZimbabwe anowana mari through stealing. Anoendera mberi achiti aiwa zvise zvaitika kupi yaya yangu yekuti vangozvichenesa nema-allies avo tokwanisa kuzoluta maresources zvakanaka. Ndo mashoko anoitogwa naProfessor Jonathan Moyo. Aiwa, I think munenge makaona mavideo ake, ma-interviews ake achinyatso kutaura zvese, achipfumura zvese. Saka ndimbotudzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pemashoko aJonathan Moyo. Pinda comment section medu, saano subscribe, kulike, turn on the bell icon.